Well, this is the start of men 5000 meter run final.
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे
This is the Indian Grand Prix season 3. Competition is organized at Guru Nanak Stadium in Ludhiana. This is a one-day event that's scheduled on 2nd of August 2025, and you can feel the thrill that we are here at Ludhiana, and number 237 is the present leader of the pack.
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे।
It's a total 6 athletes, and it's packed and bunched together. It's early stage of men's 5000 meter. They are just entering into the home state, and
11 laps
to go.
On
the clock is 1 minute past 52 seconds.
तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
The national record for 5000 meter is in the name of Gurveer Singh. He created that records in Negata, and he clocked first Indian to break the 13-minute barrier, and he clocked 12 minutes 59.77 at Boston University.
भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा जहां लौट के वापस जा न सका।
At number 2 is
ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था।
Omkar Rajvinder is representing the Indian Army. Gurveer also represent the Indian armies. And
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Just
तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
and 5K. When we talk about the 5000 meter, 5000 meter is a track version of this distance, and 5K is a road and a cross country distance. So here is the change of the
मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो।
number 112
क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है,
Omkar Rajendra
कहती
of
थी
Indian
तेरा
Army.
चांद हूँ मैं और
just
चांद
going
हमेशा रहता है।
shoulder by shoulder inside, and
तेरी
5
मिट्टी
athletes are
में
packed to
मिल
the
जावा, गुल
bunch.
बन
One is
के
trailing behind.
मैं खिल
So
जावा,
first event of the morning session.
है दिल की
Good morning here at the Guru Nanak Stadium in Ludhiana on 2nd of August. The temperature here is 27 degrees, partially cloudy, and humidity is 94%. The wind velocity is 5 km/h. So it's a men's 5000 meter in action here at the Guru Nanak Stadium, where number 112 Omkar Rajendra is leading the race into the home state, just reading each other, judging each other, and there is a third leader, number 322, Amardeep. Amardeep is representing Uttarakhand. Amardeep is born in 2002, just 23 years of age, and it's an action-packed day here at the Guru Nanak Stadium, where the men's 5,000 meter is in action. A fantastic bow is representing Indian Army, All India Police, the Border Security Force. So it's a war is going between the Indian Army, All India Police, Border Security Force, and the boy is hailing from Haryana, Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे
Manish here, he is representing the Indian Army, and he is a long distance runner
वतन
for
वतन मेरे आबाद
this
रहे
distance.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
So earlier stage it was V Monish who was leading the race, but later on Omkar has taken the charge. But the present leader for the men's 5,000 meter is number 322.
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू
Amarjeet, who is representing Uttarakhand.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू
5K routes go at this all the way back to the ancient Olympics. That event is called Ilikos. This was believed to be the race of 3 miles. In the ancient time, number 322, Amardeep of Uttarakhand is the race for men 5,000 meter. The national record for men's 5,000 meter is in the name of
तुझ पे कोई गम
Govind
की
Singh.
आँच
Govind Singh
आने
is
नहीं
a
दूँ
Naib Subedar in Indian Army, where he is employed with the
कुर्बान मेरी
23
जान तुझ पे
grenadiers,
शाद
and he
रहे
clocked 12 minutes 59.77 seconds. The race is in
वतन
the
वतन
6th
मेरे
lap,
आबाद रहे
where the ball is, where the clock is
जहाँ
ticking
रहूँ जहाँ मैं
at 8
याद
minutes
रहे
past
तू
15 seconds.
ऐ वतन
You are watching the live streaming of
ऐ वतन
Athletic Federation of
मेरे वतन
YouTube channel,
आबाद
where the Indian Grand Prix season is in action. Parveen Kumar of Haryana, Amardeep of Uttarakhand, Omkar Rajendra of Indian Army, V Monish of All India Police, and Kishore of PSF. So at 1 is Amardeep.
Come on, boys, come on.
At 2 is Omkar Rajendra.
क्या हुआ?
The men's 5,000 meter was the part of modern Olympics. We also call it a Summer Olympics. That was in 1912. That was the part of Olympic Games. And it took 90 years later that it becomes a women event. And in 5,000 meter, the women's participation was at the 1996 Atlanta Olympics. The first World Championship for this event was organized in 1993. Here, number 322 is the earlier leader for the men's 5,000 meter. It's a 4 laps to go and 10 minutes past 4 at the clock. Men 5,000 meter in action. Amardeep is gradually graduating to the glory. Just into the last 4 lap of men's 5,000 meter final.
आ गई घड़ी
At
देखो
200
सबसे
meter
बड़ी
mark.
मुझसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी हम मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का अब देखो क्या करता है ये
Four in a
बड़ा
bunch.
हिंदुस्तान का जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं हाँ मैं
Kishore,
हूँ उस देश का
Vimonis,
बैठने के लिए नजारा इस
Amardeep
ट्रैवल और
and
पेस का
Omkar.
सीधा चलूं या चलूं
Still
ढाई
following
ढाई चाल मैं खेल
the shadow
होगा ये देख
and the footstep of each other. The present leader is number 3 at 2 Amardeep of Uttarakhand.
करके दिखाऊंगा इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा मैं जब के पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा झंडा इंडिया का बेटे गाड़ दूंगा
It's a 3 laps to go for men's 5,000 meter. And you are watching the action here at the Guru Nanak Stadium. This is Indian Grand Prix Season 3. National record for the men's 5,000
मुझे
meter
कोई
is in the name
परवाह
of
नहीं तुमको मैं दिखाऊं मुझे
Gurveer
कोई
Singh.
परवाह
He
नहीं
clocked
माँ ही मेरा रब है मेरी माँ ही मेरा
12
पीर
minutes,
मेरी माँ के
59
पैरों के
point,
अलावा कोई दरगाह
77
नहीं
seconds.
नाचूंगा नाचूंगा
Created
मुझको
at
फितूर है
Boston University.
नाचूंगा दिल मजबूर है
First
आज
Indian
की
to run
शाम
under
मेरी माँ के है नाम मेरी
sub
माँ
30
मुझे
minutes in
देखेगी
5,000
नाचना
meter.
जरूर है मैं जीतूंगा
at one,
मुझे
number
नाचना
3
जरूर है
to
मेरी माँ मुझे
Amardeep.
देखेगी नाचना जरूर है
And 1-1-2 Omkar Rajendra is sandwiched between
नाचना जरूर है माँ मेरी
Parveen
देखेगी
and
नाचना
Amardeep.
जरूर है
So here is the order: number 3-2-2 Amardeep at 1, 1-1-2 Omkar at number 2, 2-6-7 at 4 is 1-6-7 Parveen Kumar. Last 2 laps to go. Way behind the national record pace. It's a 12 minutes past 42 seconds. You are watching the first event of the morning session. It's a 27 degree, little warm, not ideal temperature for men's 5,000 meters. Last 600 meters to go, but still it's between Amardeep, Omkar,
कैसे मैं चुकावां तेरा एहसान माए तेरी
Parveen Kumar.
चुनरिया लहराए
जब तक मुझ में है
just heading for the glory. Last 400 meters to go. Let's see who can hold them out. What a fantastic arm movement. And here is the bad lap. Some self-talking. Number 112 has changed his gear. Going outstanding in the last 300 meters. Omkar Rajendra of Indian Army. Just as determined as the Indian Army is. Number 2 still chasing the Omkar. Last 200 meters to go. And he just decided this is enormous and it's a significant lead for Omkar Singh for the men's 5,000 meters. 150 meters to go. You can see the gap. This is an immense, but a fantastic running. So, poetry in motion, fantastic arm movement, still going stronger. Last 80 meters finishing kicks. The boy from the Indian Army, Amardeep, here at the Guru Nanak Stadium, just leading by 60 meters of distance. At number 2 is 167, Parveen Kumar. At 3 is 207, Raj Tiwari. What a fantastic run by the boy from the Indian Army, Amardeep. 14 minutes past 32.29 seconds here at the men's 5,000 meter. It's a fantastic run. A wonderful morning here at the Guru Nanak Stadium. And Amardeep has just negotiated the final turn.